We rolling?
Yeah.
So do I look at the camera or do I look at you?
Camera.
Okay.
Should I just start? Should I just start going? Okay.
One word that describes Spoonflower.
Joyful.
Inspiring.
Dynamic.
A unicorn.
Fabric. Lots and lots of fabric.
Uplifting.
Supportive.
Dedication.
Authentic.
Cashier Friday, monthly food, treats, birthday celebration. That's all I can think of.
Energetic.
Vibrant.
Friendship. Compassionate.
Growth.
Empowering. I love that this is a workplace with a lot of women, and I feel supported and empowered here as a woman to be who I want to be and not try to conform to anything.
I've never worked with so many people that I consider my true friends. Never felt like I've worked at a place where I could truly be myself, and that's pretty weird.
So many people here have a wonderful creative background and this whole side to them that you would never expect.
I get to come to work surrounded by creative people, passionate people. I essentially start my day with a blank canvas and fill it with color.
We are always exploring new technologies and bringing in new machines, and nothing is ever stagnant here.
Spoonflower is hands down the best place I've ever worked. They honestly care about each and every person, and they mean it.
Being the first of our kind in the industry, there's always a new challenge. If you're the curious type, it's a perfect place for you.
Inspiring. Inspiring.
Inspiring and enabling creativity.
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 Since 2008.
Since 2008.
Inspiring and create.
Since 2008.
Since when?
Since 2008.
Still going. Inspiring. And nope, lost it. Okay. That wasn't bad.